Home safe become a top priority, especially in regions prone to earthquakes.
Gas shutoff valves play a vital role in preventing leaks, fires, and explosions by automatically stopping the gas supply during seismic activity. This guide highlights
List 1.
Pacific Seismic Products 303 Series Horizontal Earthquake Gas Shutoff Valve, 7 psi. The Pacific Seismic Products 303 series is a top-rated option for horizontal gas lines. Designed to shut off gas flow at seismic activity of 7 psi or greater, it provides reliable protection for residential and light commercial properties. Built from heavy-duty materials and certified for safety, this valve is known for its durability and quick response time. Installation is straightforward, making it a trusted choice for homeowners seeking high-level seismic protection. List 2. Pacific Seismic Products 300 Series Horizontal Earthquake Gas Shutoff Valve. Another excellent choice from Pacific Seismic Products, the 300 series offers similar performance with precision engineering for horizontal pipelines. It provides automatic gas shutoff during intense ground shaking, reducing the risk of leaks or fire hazards. Its robust construction ensures long-term use, while the simple installation process makes it a convenient option. This valve is a solid investment for earthquake-prone areas where safety and reliability are essential. List 9. Watts AGV 075 Little Firefighter Earthquake Shutoff Vertical Valve for Natural Gas and Propane. The Watts AGV 075 Little Firefighter is designed specifically for vertical gas lines and works with both natural gas and propane systems. Known for its fast shutoff response, it prevents gas flow instantly when seismic activity is detected. The compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces, while its durable brass construction ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for homeowners wanting a high-quality vertical valve that meets safety standards and provides peace of mind.
List number. Andreas Fault Northridge Earthquake 2000 Valve Manual Gas.
The Andreas Fault Northridge Earthquake 2000 valve offers manual shutoff capability,
providing an additional layer of safety for properties in earthquake zones.
While not automatic, it features a simple design for quick activation in case of gas leaks
or seismic events. Its solid build and reliable operation make it a practical option for homeowners who prefer manual control.
Affordable and durable, it serves as a good backup or primary safety measure.
List
5. Watts VAGV 100 Little Firefighter Earthquake Gas Shutoff Vertical Valve.
The Watts VAGV 100 is another excellent vertical shutoff valve option from the Little Firefighter line. Designed for quick response and reliable safety, it shuts off gas flow during seismic events to prevent potential hazards. Constructed from premium materials, it offers excellent durability and performance.
With straightforward installation and proven reliability,
It is a top choice for homeowners seeking dependable protection for natural gas or propane systems.